All the action is happening in the national capital, and buoyed by her recent success in the West Bengal elections, Mamata Banerjee is in the national capital to drum up an anti-BJP front, a front that she seeks to play a crucial role in. In a virtual speech on the 21st of July to an audience that included several opposition leaders, Mamata Banerjee had said that people would not forgive the opposition if they did not bury their differences and unite against the BJP. Well, today, the West Bengal Chief Minister has a series of meetings lined up during her Delhi trip, including that with the Prime Minister a short while from now. She's also expected to meet Sonia Gandhi and Sharad Pawar among prominent leaders, though the timing of that is yet to be disclosed.
Well, it doesn't really matter as a politician, as a chief minister, as someone who's holding a constitutional post. You're most welcome to meet any leader, so there is nothing to be discussed about it. The question is whether dreams should be dreamt big. There is no harm in that as well. But whether that is prudent, whether those dreams are utopian, whether it's something that you want to do out of compulsion and some kind of overconfidence is what the people are talking about. So it's for her to decide whether it is utopian, immatured, or too premature, whatever it is.
Yeah, Ayushmann joining us for more on this. Now, Ayushmann, it appears it's going to be a very busy trip that Mamata Banerjee has, with several meetings scheduled or several meetings in the works. Do we know so far whom she is definitely going to meet and who she is likely to visit and when?
Well, Aarti, if you look at the statement of Kamal Nath, the former chief minister, she met him and he clearly said that any talks on bigger alliance of involving TMC in Congress will be done at the highest level. But definitely this is going to be a serious visit of Mamata Banerjee. She's going to meet the Prime Minister, the President of India. We are being told that she will also be meeting the Congress interim President Sonia Gandhi. So this is going to be an important visit, looking at the current aspect and the situation of opposition in the national scenario.
Well, Ayushmann, very interestingly, the Chief Minister is also set to meet the Prime Minister a short while from now. And the last time the two of them met each other in West Bengal, it was far from a harmonious meeting.
Yes, Aarti. And in fact, if you remember, after that meeting, the Chief Secretary had to resign. I mean, he was told to come to national capital and he didn't do that. And the Chief Secretary was appointed as the advisor to the Chief Minister. So it would be important to see whether that shadow of that meeting is overcast on this meeting as well. But for now, we are being told that it would be a cordial meet of Prime Minister along with Mamata Banerjee. Mamata Banerjee, for the first time after the Bengal debacle of the BJP in West Bengal, is going to meet the Prime Minister. It will be important to see what all issues are there, but definitely that unceremonious exit of Mamata Banerjee during that meeting with the Prime Minister was something that was talked about, and it is going to be seen whether this also comes up in this meeting.
Well, we'll see if there are similar fireworks in this meeting. Ayushmann, thanks so much for that. Well, meanwhile, Mamata's visit to Delhi also coincides with the Bengal government's decision to order a probe into the Pegasus row. A political war of words has erupted over the Bengal government's move. While the TMC maintains its stand that members were snooped upon, the BJP has termed it a diversion by Mamata Banerjee. Listen in.
शुभेंदु अधिकारी उन्होंने बताया अभिषेक का ऑफिस से जो भी कॉल जा रहा है उसका लिस्ट एंड रिकॉर्डिंग्स उसका पास जा रहा है. उन्होंने खुद बताया है, पब्लिकली बताया है. ये है स्टेटमेंट ऑफ कन्फेशन. हमारा जो एलिगेशंस है वो ट्रू है, वो हो चुका है.
देखिए, इसकी कोई औचित्य नहीं है. मुझे नहीं मालूम इस कमीशन का कैपेसिटी, इनके अधिकार क्षेत्र कहाँ तक होगा. ये क्या दिल्ली में आके इंक्वायरी करेंगे, ना कि इजराइल में जाके करेंगे जहाँ की कंपनी है. तो केवल ये नाटक है, आईवास है. बंगाल की जो समस्या है उससे लोगों की दृष्टि हटाने के लिए ये सब ड्रामा हो रही है. ना इसकी कोई औचित्य है, ना इनकी कोई अधिकार है. इसके पहले उनकी सरकार के ऊपर कई बार आरोप लगाए, उन्हीं के पार्टी के नेता आरोप लगाए. उनके कोई पार्टी के नेता बिना व्हाट्सएप के बात नहीं करते हैं. तो इस प्रकार परिस्थिति में ये कमीशन का क्या मतलब होता है. ये केवल ड्रामा है और कुछ नहीं है.